shall remain in police custody for the next 7 days to allow conclusion of investigations into the arson incident that claimed 9 student lives at the school. The Form 1 student appeared before Juvenile Court's Senior Principal Magistrate Teresa Nyangena, where the prosecution made the prayers for her continued stay in custody for 10 days. But following arguments by the student's lawyer, the court reduced the extension request from 10 to 7 days.
Although early investigations had identified 4 key suspects in the Moi Girls school arson incident, police findings have narrowed down to this single girl, who is a Form 1 student at the school. And on Wednesday, at Milimani Juvenile Courts, the prosecution made an application before Senior Principal Magistrate Teresa Nyangena, seeking orders to allow police to put her in custody for 10 more days to ensure her security and expedite investigations. That application was, however, objected to by defense lawyer Andrew Angai, who argued that even though safety for the suspect was key, the court should consider all provisions of law before making any orders. However, the court allowed for the suspect to remain under custody for 7 days and not 10, as requested by the prosecution.
Her Honor do consider, in a wide discretions in matters of bail, whilst we are not opposed to these investigations, whether the subject could be admitted to a bail pending the investigation and subject to the conditions that this court would be able to level.
Doing the best I can, I allow 7 days in custody, upon which the application for bail can be considered.
Police said they are likely to prefer arson, assault and murder charges on the students once investigations are complete. Then there was the little matter of journalists being allowed or not being allowed in the court to cover the proceedings. The prosecution asked the court to invoke relevant laws on the right and privacy of minors. But as much as the magistrate agreed with the plea, she nonetheless stressed on how important the media is, but urged caution.
I appreciate that this is a matter of grave public concern and therefore requires thorough investigations by the police. I also note that the victims involved are several, hence need for ample time to compile credible evidence.
The suspect shall now be remanded at Kilimani police station for 7 days, pending another directive from the court, including whether she will be released on bond. Shadrack Miti, KTN News.